Zelle, friend or foe? Ever sent money to a friend and regretted it later? Maybe a spur-of-the-moment loan for concert tickets that never got repaid, or a hold me over for rent that turned into a bottomless pit. It happens. These days, with money transfer apps like Zelle, it's easier than ever to send cash electronically. But is it always the best option? Let's talk about Zelle, its limitations, and specifically, which banks don't even play ball with this popular app. Zelle is a P2P, peer-to-peer, payment system owned by Early Warning Services, a consortium of major banks. Think of it as a digital Venmo, allowing you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. Super convenient, right? You can split a dinner bill with friends, pay a roommate for utilities, or even send a quick birthday gift to your niece across the country, all with just a few taps on your phone. But here's the catch: speed and ease come with a price. Unlike traditional bank transfers, Zelle transactions are typically final. Once you hit send, that money is gone. There's no "oops, I meant to send to Sarah, not Susan" safety net. This is why it's crucial to be absolutely certain who you're sending money to before hitting that button. So, how do you avoid accidentally funding a friend's questionable online shopping spree? Here's where knowing which banks don't use Zelle comes in handy. There are actually quite a few financial institutions that don't participate in the Zelle network. Some big names include Alliant Credit Union, American Express, SoFi, and Barclays. This doesn't necessarily mean you can't send money to someone who banks there, but it might require a different approach. For example, if your bank uses Zelle and your friend's doesn't, you might be able to send the money through another app the recipient does use. Many banks offer their own P2P services, or your friend could download the Zelle app itself and link a debit card instead of a bank account. The bottom line? Before you hit send on a Zelle transaction, double-check two things. Who you're sending the money to. Is it really your friend Sarah needing gas money, or a scammer with a convincing sob story? Their bank's compatibility. Does their bank even use Zelle? Taking a few extra seconds to confirm these details can save you a major headache and potentially the lighter wallet down the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.